In this video we will go over the Purge command in LusoCAD 2024. This is a very useful command that will identify all entities in your project that are not being utilized, including layers, tables, blocks and others. Purging these unused elements will greatly enhance the organization of the project and even reduce the file size. To access the Purge Manager, input PU in the command line. Here we have an overview of all entities that are unused in our project. Let's test this. Here we can expand each type of element and we can see that a layer named Layer 01 was detected as being unused. Let's see what happens when we add something to this layer. We close the Purge Manager and draw a line on Layer 01. Let's see if the layer is still present in the Purge menu. As expected, we can see that Layer 01 is not present anymore, since it's now being used for the line we just drew. Let's now complete the Purge process. We can choose each element if we don't want all of them to be purged, or we can just choose Purge All. We can see that the layer was purged. We have successfully used the Purge command.